This is Succeeding at the Piano, Lesson and Technique Book, Grade 2A, and I'll be playing the Charms of London on pages 40 and 41. This is a theme and variation. The variation is a variation on the theme. It's a change of the theme, but we're still going to hear parts of that theme. It'll be familiar with some added changes. So listen for those. And after you've played the first ending and the repeat and then the second ending, you'll play the theme again as it was the first time. One, two, ready, go. All right, so this is truly a very charming piece, and there's a few fingering challenges that you might have. The first will be here in measures 3 and 4. Watch for that little move of finger 3 here to the D, and then we have that change from finger 1 on A to finger 1 on G, and this just puts you right back into your C5 finger position to play the next line. So take your time, do some slow work there. That move to 3 on the D will get you down to B with your thumb. And notice that we also use the B here in measures 7 and 8, but we're using our crossover technique instead. So 2 different ways to get down to that B. Shifting the hand, crossing over with finger 2. So it's good to practice both. In the variation, you might have just a little bit of trouble working out this 8th note pattern. So play it slowly, and then you can speed it up. And also, if you need to, break this up into 2 groups. The first group of 4, the second group of 4 with the dotted half note. So first, just make sure you can go getting right to that F sharp. And then the next group. So notice that we have to do a quick change from the F sharp with finger 2 to the F natural with finger 2. And then put them together. And then a little shift over to finger 4 on the G, and then the same fingering pattern again. 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1. This time it's a little easier because you don't have the sharp and natural to deal with. And then move finger 4 again down to that F, which will put you right back in your C5 finger position. And you'll see the same fingering, the same ending that matches the theme here. Your first ending, your second ending matches the end of line 2. So same fingering there. And then back to the theme, so you're going to see those same fingerings and note changes that we had in the first theme. The end, just watch that third in the left hand that we did not have. We only had the E, now we add the C to give it just an extra final sound. Poco ritardando. We know that ritardando means gradually slowing down. Poco just means a little bit. So just a little bit of a ritardando. Then use your drip, drop, roll technique to roll off. Listen for those diminuendos. We're going to use that technique. Drop into the first note and then lift gently off the second note so we hear the change of sound there. Okay, do careful work so that you can play this beautifully and with lots of charm.